Hi everyone, my name is Lucy. I am your relationship coach. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about signs of a good husband. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Signs of a good husband, or how to know he will make a good father. Your family has leadership with you, and your wife is at the helm. Your wife is proud to bear your name, to be called your Mrs. Your son wants to grow up to be like you. You are his benchmark and mentor. Your daughter wants to get married to a man like you. You are her pillar, her standard of who a man is. Your children feel covered, protected, guided, connected, understood, supported and empowered. Other women wish they had a husband like you, but you don't take advantage of that and have affairs. You and your wife look forward to coming home every day. Your house is full of love. You look at yourself and admire the man you have become. You are responsible. Your wife doesn't have to beg you to come home, to remember you have a family or to remember your role. She doesn't struggle to have you functioning as her husband. You demonstrate the values you want in your family. You say sorry because pride doesn't mean you set a bad example. Your wife glows. She looks like a woman loved, aging beautifully, wrinkles of joy and peace. You work hard but are not absent from your family. Your children talk about you with pride to their friends. Your children feel they can trust you with their issues. The thought of you having an affair is laughable. You are married to your best friend. Why would you cheat on your best friend? If your wife could get married to you again, she would say yes every day. She stays with you not because you have children together or out of circumstance, but because in you she has love and gets to love. People call your family blessed. When things get tough, you man up, a warrior in your family. You are a role model to other men. The intimate life in your marriage doesn't suffer. Your wife feels sufficiently sexy. Your greatest symbol of success is your fruitful marriage and family. Before you shine in the marketplace, you shine at home. You bring out the wife material in your spouse. Every woman is wife material, she just needs the right man to bring out that wifely side and wifely love in her. As God's son, God looks at you and is pleased by how you love and look after God's daughter. You have your priority right. Your friends don't come above your wife or family. Your wife feels secure. She doesn't have to fight for you with other women. She is a queen firmly fixed on her throne. You guard your family from outside interference, be it family, in-laws, friends or spoilers. You consult your wife when making decisions. You do love as a team. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you.